Hello lovely people, I hope you're all doing well. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. So Christmas is just 2 days away, and then I decided to make some treats for my friends. So I decided to film this cookie video and share with you all so that you can try it this Christmas. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the simple ingredients you need for this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cream my butter. So I'm using unsalted butter. So you cream until it's soft and fluffy. Once the butter color changes to cream, you can go ahead and add the salt and then your egg. And then you also cream until it's fluffy. And then you will be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And also you can do this without the hand machine. You can just use your whisk, or you can also use your spatula, that's okay. So once you have the vanilla, you also cream until it's light and fluffy. And then I'm going to sift my icing sugar and then the flour, and then mix until it's well combined. Okay, so once everything goes inside, you would want to fold in the flour, because if I use the whisk, the whole place is going to be messed up. So I fold in until it becomes a bit lumpy, and then I will cream for a few minutes, and then it's ready to be piped. Okay, so my mixture is well combined, and then I will just take off the machine and then just mix with my spatula. And then I'm using the star tip nozzle, and then I will put some of the mixture inside the piping bag. So I will be using 2 nozzles. I'm using this also, and then I will also fill up and then just pipe on my baking tray, and then I'm going to bake this for 7 minutes. Make sure to preheat your oven to 250 degrees, and please don't over bake it, else you will not be able to achieve this result. Also, please make sure to line your baking tray with a parchment paper so that the cookie will not burn. Also, you can try to fix any nozzle that you prefer to achieve a great design. But I want this because I miss that cookie that I was given when I was a kid. So I think this was great, and then the outcome was beautiful. Okay, so I'm almost through with the piping, so I'll be baking this for 7 minutes. Ta-da! So this is our cookie after 7 minutes. It's hot, so I'm just going to cool it on the cooling rack before I put some designs that I want. Okay, so if you really want to achieve the best result, please don't overbake the cookies. Look at how pretty it was, and then it smells so good. Okay, so at this point, I'll go ahead and then dip my cookies in some chocolate ganache. Yes, you can also use white chocolate, but I think this was better for me. So I just dip some in the chocolate ganache, and then I will chill it for a few minutes, like about 3 minutes, so that the chocolate can set. But before I chill, I will top up with some sprinkles, not all, like half of it. Alright, so you can just go ahead and play with it. If you have kids, you can give them this, and I'm sure they will love it. Okay, so that's the outcome of our cookies, and then with the whitish thing that you see on the other one, I just sprinkle some icing sugar just to give it that Danish style. Let me show you how the cookie looks like. Okay, so here we go. Oh my goodness, this was smelling so good and it was very delicious. I really love it. All right, so I'm just packaging this for a friend. Yes, I know he will love it. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more recipes. I will always bring you delicious recipe. God bless you all and advance Merry Christmas. See you next time with another video. Bye.